What's going on, YouTube Metal Complex here, and welcome to another short little unboxing with yours truly. If the lighting looks a little bit funny, it's because this is my first day in my new setup. If you missed my new setup walk around and ramble video, I uploaded that yesterday. I talked about my new setup, and what I'm currently having to use for lighting is a little bit strange. There's new stuff coming, blah blah blah, whatever. So it's going to be like this for a couple of weeks, and then hopefully everything will look way better. That's the goal anyway. If you are new to my channel, and you like regular knife content, whether you like to sit at home on your couch and watch it on your TV, you like to watch it on your lunch break on your phone, or you like to just turn my voice on and Bluetooth my episodes in your vehicle while you're driving. People tell me they do that all the time. This might be the channel for you because I upload every single day. I love talking about knives. I love to do knife reviews, knife overviews, unboxings, such as the one you're seeing here. I like to do knife discussion videos, and I have a knife guy series on Sunday. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit subscribe and turn notifications to all because there's definitely more content coming. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this box here. This box was sent by a gentleman who contacted me, and we talked, actually, somebody that Jeff also knows, and we've been talking a little bit. You can see here the Lady of the Sea having no issue with tape or cardboard. And he said, I would like to send you a knife, and I'd like you to pick it. And I'm giving you the short version of the story. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure I can protect his privacy if there's anything in here that's going to show it. But he was like, I want you to pick a knife once a month, and within a certain price parameter. And then I'd like to send it to you for review, and then you can send it back to me. And I was like, so you want me to do your monthly shopping for you, kind of? And he was like, yeah. And we did the usual back and forth, like, no, you don't have to do that, And he insisted. So, if this ends up just being a once or twice kind of thing, then that's great. But after a long conversation, we decided on a Spyderco knife. And I am very, very grateful to this person. We'll talk more about that kind of when I do the review of this. But this is something that I think you guys might be interested to see. I know I am. This is it's new, not brand new. The Spyderco Native Chief. That is awesome. It's like a really big native. I mean, that's honestly how that feels. Take a look at that centering, perfect centering. Peel Ply Texture G10. It is a lockback. Yeah, that feels like a really big, long native. There's an interesting charm to this because the native is such a simple design, ambidextrous lockback, easy to manipulate, that satisfying click out, and that nice, comfortable choke up position. But on the native, it was a little tiny knife that had that nice choke up position. You could get your hand all the way around it. So it's interesting now having this knife that's got to be at least 9 inches overall, where you have plenty of room. You got a 3-finger position back here, full position here with a little bit of room to kind of move around, and then you've got a full choke up position in this enormous flat ground blade. That is an awesome knife, and definitely feels like something you go out and use. I will say most likely the one weak spot on it is going to be the tip. It looks like it comes to a very, very fine point. Very interesting knife. Thank you so much, good sir. You know who you are. I'm being vague about who he is because I haven't had a discussion with him about how he wants me to say his name on camera, so I'm not going to reveal any information about him unless he wants me to. Anyways, we'll talk more about that when the time comes, but thank you so much for allowing me to do this. I'm really excited to take a look at this knife, so expect a full review after I've had a chance to play with it a little bit and, figure out my honest thoughts on it. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check that stuff out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.